Ever notice those white spirals inside jet engines? They're not just for decoration, they actually serve a safety purpose. When an engine is running, the fan blades spin incredibly fast, making them almost invisible. The spiral acts as a visual warning, helping ground crew and airport staff see if the engine is on. This prevents dangerous accidents caused by walking too close to a running engine. Next time you're at the airport, take a look. Now you know why they're there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.